How to create an avatar for Microsoft Teams first. In the Microsoft Teams app, click on these three dots to launch a search bar and type Avatars. Download the app and launch the Avatar Builder to create an avatar. Select the plus sign, then create New. Next, select a base avatar that looks most like you. Select the base avatar from the bubbles on the right side and click Customize. Before we start the customization process, I want to share 3 key features in our Avatar Builder to allow for greater customization. We've created the toggle and the rainbow wheel. The toggle button in the body and face sections allows for smaller tweaks, like your waist or your head width. The rainbow circle and the hair appearance and wardrobe sections allows you to change the color of certain characteristics, like your hair and shirt. The last feature is the filter feature in the hair and wardrobe sections. This helps you find what you're looking for more efficiently. Now, let's get started. Select from the preset body types. Select, save, move on to skin tone and prosthetics. Next, in the face section, select a face shape. Repeat this process for the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Lastly, add any hearing aids you may have. In the hair section, choose a hairstyle that matches your style and the meeting type you're creating this avatar for. Remember to adjust the color by selecting the rainbow circle. Next, you may select from facial hair and eyebrow options. Next is the appearance section where you can add lip, color, blush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, face lines, or bendis. Lastly, in the wardrobe section, select from a range of casual to more formal attire. You may also select headwear and eyewear. Finally, select Save. To create more variations of this avatar, simply select the plus sign and then duplicate. Then customize it however you want. Thank you for watching us.